Hello guys, in this video I will show you moves which you can use in the nightclub, in the TikTok videos or in your party. We prepare with Dima for you a small routine in order to show you just like an example how you can mix these moves. 5, 6, 7.
I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh. So girl, it hurts. I don't want it. I gotta have it. Uh-oh. And I can't find the words, so just go with it. I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it. I turn the beat on. Hey, now I'm glad to meet ya. Turn up, girl, blow the speaker. Yeah, think about it now, blow the speaker. I speak louder, let's get wild tonight. Billy and Bellows, we just down like ain't no problem. On my road tonight. Alright, alright. I don't like it, I love it. I got another come in my budget. I got another color in my trust. Don't push it, cause I'm here till I check right. That's right, wax on, baby, wax off. Act right, you can put a little back card. All night, and I stand it, cause I don't like it.
First move is basically just you're shifting your weight to the right like and to the left, and after you shift your weight you drop your one hip and then you go to the other leg and you drop the other hip. You can also bend your knees, so it's gonna be either like straight bend, or both straight legs. And so you can see when I drop my hip I bend my free leg, and here also. You can add snap if you want and do different sides. You can add wave in your body. So basically your chest going forward, then your stomach, then your hip, chest go inside, then your stomach go inside, then your hips going inside. Backward, drop, backward, drop. And if you can count to 8, you will be good. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the next move, let's open our legs wide and bend them. Here we need to roll our chest outside, then to the one side, inside to the other side, and again we can do to the one circle or either to the other circle, and your hips naturally will go in the opposition. If not, if you do only chest, that's totally fine, but if you try to do the big circle, you will feel that your hips go in the opposite way. Or either you can use only your hips without your chest and do it to different sides. So if you go to the nightclub, for example, in the pants, girls can totally do that. But for girls, if you wear high heels and nice dress, you can point your toes together. You can show still the men's version. And we do chest, or other side. You see, when I go inside, my shoulders go a little bit forward, but not a lot. You can do hips, 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 hips. So you decide, chest with hips, only chest or only hips. For the next move, you need to point one of the leg, then close it together again, and then you slide to the one side. Imagine that it's like a skating, and then you do the same. You point the toe, close without weight, and then shift the weight. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you can relax your arms and move them in the opposition. When you do the slide, you can either do the slide only with legs or do slide with one arm, other arms, both arms, whatever you feel in that moment. Next move, let's open our legs again, wide, and bend your knees. Why I prefer start from this position? Because it's easy to feel by your body muscles separately and not concentrate on your legs. So we need to open our chest forward and then go to the neutral. Open, forward, and go to the neutral. And then try to do it faster. Pum, pum, like a heartbeat. Pum, 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 pum. Or you can do like in equal counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, my hips go a little bit backward, forward. It's just happening because I open my chest forward and then go neutral. If you're wearing high heels, you can close your legs together and do the bump like that without opening your legs. Next move is steps forward or either backward. Here you can do different variations. So let's do the grooving one, when you bend your knees and when you walk forward, you turn your knee outside, 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 and you see my shoulders go diagonally. And when you go backward, you turn your knee inside, 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 or you can do differently. Outside, 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 outside. Then the other version, you go forward and you kick your behind, but not fully. You just like do a little action, and when you go backward, you pick up the knee. You lean forward, and when you go backward, you kind of going backward. If you're wearing high heels, it looks better when you're not opening your legs and when you're crossing. For forward steps, you like crossing. For backward steps, it's better when you put your knee inside, inside, inside. The next move is middle rock. You need to put one leg on the heel on the count 1, and on 2 close it and put it on a flat position. Heel, flat, heel, flat. That's what your legs are doing. The arms doing little circle and then big circle down, like whoop, like swoop.
Yep.
Yeah, like swoop. And the left arm, little circle and down. Little down, little down. And when you do little circle, your heel is here, and then flat. You see, I kind of also
scoop.
Scoop. Yeah, that's what I want to say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 2, 4, 6, 8, you can relax your knees. For the next move, let's open legs again. I like open legs today. We need to bend our knees, shift our weight to the one side, then bend our knees even more, put it in the middle, then to the other side, and then straighten the knees and return. So we can do the circle to the one side, and let's try to the other side. Okay, cool. Here you can also shift your weight fully and stretch one leg, then bend both, stretch other leg, and then stretch both legs. Or you can put your legs together and do the little circle to the one side. You shift your rib cage, but your hips go into the opposition, and we can do this to the other side. You can decide you're doing slow, then fast, fast, and slow, for example, fast, fast. Other options that you can do, you can close your feet together, go to the one side, do the big circle, then close your feet together, and then do the big circle to the other side, just like that. Bend your elbow and put your fingers in a fist, bump your chest, and then straighten your arm and roll it all the way behind. And then let's do the other thing with this arm. This is 1, 2. When you do this circle, you can turn your head backward if you want, and it's gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bump of your chest. So we stretch our chest, then it's go neutral, then we stretch our chest and it's go neutral. Let's show from the side. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you can add if you want some bendness in your knees, but it's not necessary. If you do only on the upper part, it still looks good. Let's keep going, turn to the side, and here close your feet together and open your legs and turn to the side again. So you kind of like doing side step, close, but with turn. You turn in the side step, close, you turn in the side step, close. What your arms doing? You bend one arm and straighten other one, then you switch it and roll and do the circle with your bent elbows, and then you stretch. So you do one circle and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Or you can do the circle above your head and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's connect it. Here we have this position. When we close the feet, we do this circle, and when we do the side step, we finish the line. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here, when you do the circle, you can open your chest, roll your chest if you want. That's like an extra action, and it's gonna look 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The next move calls kickball change. And I mix it in order for you to learn it easier. You do kick, ball, so you just press to the ball of the foot, kick, ball, so it's like a preparation for this kick ball change, and then kick, flat, and cross behind. And then I actually add legs together, 2 groove actions, but you can separate these moves. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's do the same to the opposite side. Kick, ball, kick, ball, change, and 2 grooving actions. And the next move we go down, 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 and our arms switching. So you see my elbow is looking to the side and other arm is sliding down. So here you can actually play with position of your fingers. They can be straight, they can be in the fist, whatever you feel comfortable in that moment. Whenever you go down, you open your knees, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When you slide your arms, you open the knees. When you switch, you close when they're in the middle, and then when you finish the slide, they're opening again. And you can go lower, 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 higher, 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 higher. And the last move for this tutorial is gonna be knees raising. So we raise the right knee, then right twice, left, right, left. So here you need to bend your standing leg when you pick up your free leg, and also you feel that your center is crunching inside, it's not your back. So you have this grooving action down, down. You see, I collect my belly down, 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 down. It's look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you can relax and put your body weight into the opposition. So don't dance straight. Feel that your body is waving a little bit. And we want to show you these moves from back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, so you can mix these moves however you want. You can use them in a nightclub, doing TikTok videos, or in any other situations. I hope you like this dance tutorial. Go ahead and subscribe onto my channel, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell. I will be very happy because in this case I will create even more videos and there are gonna be many videos. Bye. Bro. Put it on the bell. Is it bell?
Ring the bell.
So give me likes, give me subscribers. Oh my god, what did I say?